The modern mullet. I love the modern mullet. I think it looks incredible. Now, in terms of the styling, there are a few different options, right? You can go sort of short, textured on top, let it grow a little bit longer in the back, taper it on the sides, or you could actually go with a modified quiff, messy quiff, let it grow a little bit longer and have the back just a bit longer as long as the sides are short. Now, in terms of the product, it really depends on the top and the length and the style that you're rocking. If you're going with something a bit longer, what I recommend is using a sea salt spray. This stuff is amazing. It's literally like grooming gold. I didn't always believe in this stuff, right? I was like, sea salt spray is bullshit. And then I tried one and I was like, where have you been my whole life? This product actually makes every hairstyle look better. It adds weightless volume, texture, and it's just amazing. It also helps your product work better. Anyway, the mullet, rock the sea salt spray as a pre-styler, and then if your hair's a little bit longer, paste is going to be the best option in terms of a longer mullet style, right? Because it's going to add a little bit of shine, lower hold though. It's not going to be so crunchy. It's going to add for a more natural look and feel. Now, if you want it to go real natural, a texturizing cream is also going to be a great option if you want a more natural flowy look, right? It's going to add that volume, that texture, that thickness without it being too crunchy or weighted down. Now, if your hair is short, textured, sort of spiky, I definitely go a clay or a putty.